If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 301, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest fixes to get back in and load the page properly again. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to try first so you can stop the redirect issue and get X working normally again. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right into it. The first thing to try is a hard refresh. This can force your browser to reload the page instead of pulling a broken or outdated version from memory. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Windows computer, that's the fastest way to refresh the page completely. Give it a moment and see if X loads correctly after that. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. Old site data can sometimes cause redirect errors like this, especially if X has stored a bad session or outdated redirect information. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together on your keyboard. This will open the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. From there, make sure cookies and cache are selected, then clear them. After that, close the browser tab, reopen x.com, and try again. If you're still having the same issue, the next fix is to manually type the user handle directly into the address bar. Instead of relying on a saved link or a redirect, click the browser bar and type the username yourself. Make sure it's entered correctly, then press Enter. This can help bypass a bad link or an automatic redirect that is triggering the 301 error. So just to quickly recap, first do a hard refresh with Ctrl and F5, then clear cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, and finally manually type the user handle in the address bar. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the x.com or Twitter error 301 and get the page loading again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.